Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you about how to drive on two-way roads. It's very simple. The lane where we are driving already, the right side lane is our lane and the left side lane is for opposite traffic. And it's very simple to learn about turnings. We have only two types of right and two types of left. In the first type of right, we have a stop sign and a stop line. So it means we must have to stop the car before the line because we are facing a stop sign. After stopping the car, you must have to check left side for safety, and after checking the safety, you can enter to the right side. In a second type of right, we are not facing a stop sign or a stop line. So it means after checking the safety, directly we can enter to the right side. No need to stop here because you are not facing a stop sign or a stop line. And we have two types of left also. In the first type of left, if you are facing a stop sign or a stop line, so you must have to stop the car before the line. And after that, you must have to check both sides, right side and left side, for safety. And if you have a chance to go, so you will move directly little straight, and after that, so you will turn left to the right side lane. In the second type of left, you have no stop sign and no stop line. It means after checking the safety, or if nobody coming from your opposite side, you can turn directly left to the right side lane. Let's do some practice on two-way roads. You just need to remember you will always drive on the right side lane. The first turn, we wanna go right, and here you have to check your left side, but if you have a chance to go, you will go directly. No need to stop here because you are not facing a stop sign or stop line. And continue to the right side lane. Here we are facing another junction and we wanna go right, but this time we are facing a stop sign and a stop line. So it means we must have to stop here. After stop, we will check the left for safety, and if nobody there, we can enter to the right lane to go right. We will always keep the right lane on a two-way roads because the left lane is for opposite traffic. Here we are facing another junction, but this time we wanna go left, and we are also facing a stop sign and stop line, so we will stop the car before the line, and after stop we will check the safety right and left, and after we will move little straight, and after little straight we will turn left to the right side lane. We have to keep the right lane because we are driving on two-way roads. Another junction ahead. This time we wanna go left here, but we are not facing any kind of stop sign or stop line. We can turn directly left to the right side lane. Remember, always on two-way roads you will always keep the right lane. So here we are facing a small roundabout. On a roundabout we have a give way sign here, so it means we have to check if nobody there on our left side, so we can enter directly to the roundabout. You must have to change the right indicator before exit. and we will keep the right lane because we are driving on a two-way roads. So here we are facing another junction, so this time we wanna go left, and yes, we are facing a stop sign and line also, so we will stop here. We'll check right, then left, then we will move little straight, and after straight we will turn left to the right lane. And you must have to keep the right side lane because we are driving a two-way roads. The next junction, we are also facing a stop sign and line, and we wanna go right, so we must have to stop the car before the line, and we have to check left only, and we can turn to the right lane directly, and we'll keep the same right lane because we are driving on two-way roads. The next junction, we wanna go right, but this time we are not facing any kind of stop line or a stop sign, so after checking the safety we will turn directly to the right side. Always use the indicators before turnings. I hope you understand the types of right and the types of left. I hope you understand the two types of right and two types of left, and the basics rule of how to drive on a two-way road. God bless you.